Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Hope you are all doing good. In this series, you will learn Automation Anywhere A360 from start to end. The only prerequisite is your time, nothing else. So if you are not familiar with the programming language, or if you are not done programming before, or if you are not having any fundamental skills of programming language like variables, data types, loops, conditions, functions, methods, that is completely fine. In this series, we'll start from scratch. Okay, so you will understand the basic fundamentals of the programming language, practical knowledge, real-time scenarios, everything. So learning a course is different, and implementing the concepts and the course content in the real-time scenario is completely different. So in this series, we are going to learn each and every concept with the help of an real-time example. So we are going to learn the basic concepts, and similar way we are going to apply the same concept in the real time scenario. Hope you will enjoy this series and learning. So please subscribe and don't forget to click on bell icon. That's why you'll be notified every time when I upload a new videos or series on Automation Anywhere 360. Let's have a look on Automation Anywhere A360 concepts. So we are going to learn Automation Anywhere A360 introduction, all the commands or actions available in the Automation Anywhere A360. Also, we are going to discuss RPA life cycle, that is how to start a project, what are all the prerequisites to start a program, how to find the new process assessment, how to design a design solution or process definition document, how to start a development, once you complete the development, how to migrate the code to higher environments like UAT, prod, and how we are going to perform unit testing and test case validations. Each and everything we are going to learn in a RPA lifecycle. And also we are going to learn new features in Automation Anywhere A360 like IQ bot, scanner bot, discovery bot, bot insight with the help of a real-time example. Also we are going to implement one end-to-end real-time process, including like error handling, logging mechanism, real-time scenarios, best practices, how to solve a critical issues. Each and every concept we are going to cover in real-time project. And like a configuration file setup, best practices, error handling. So in RPA process, we are not supposed to hard code any value in the programming. So we should fetch each and every value from the configuration file or dynamic inputs. So we are going to cover configuration file setup and error handling best practices mechanism as well. So let's go to next slide. So coming to the commands and actions, so we are going to discuss each and every command like message box, variables, what are all the data types available in A360, files, folders, loops, conditions, Excel, CSV, text file, XML, web services, SOAP web services, REST web services. So we are not going to just discuss about the topic and what are all the content in the command. So along with that, how we can implement this concept in real time scenario, how we can utilize these commands in real-time processes. So we are going to learn each and everything from basic level to advanced level. And here you can see a capture command, data types, wait count, wait, delay, windows, log to file, image recognition, web commands, like how we can automate each and every web application by using capture command. What are all the things we need to capture, how we can capture the different web application, secure web application, iframe tags, and what are all the properties we need to select in object loading or capture command, each and everything, how we can create our own custom domains path, what is absolute domains path, what is relative domains path, each and every concept we are going to cover in web automation and capture command. And we will also learn wait and delay, step triggers, um, and how to add the dependency file while migrating the code migration, how to call child bots from the master task database, app integration, Python, how we can invoke Python code in Automation Anywhere A360, Excel macros, scripts, workload, queue management. Also, we are going to learn real time scenarios process, and also we will cover interview question and answers. So hope you will enjoy this series and learning like with the from basic level to advanced level. And please share with your friends, and please subscribe, and don't forget to click on bell icon. That's why you will be notified every time when I upload a new series and videos. Hope you like this video. That's all for today, and the next session we are going to start A360 introduction, and as per our agenda we are going to cover each and every topic with help of an real-time example. Thank you.